That was a fun show.
Yeah, it was.
Not a lot of turnout, but it was fun.
That Mustang, dude.
Yeah, there were a lot of cars here.
Sure.
There were a lot of women here.
Yeah, I know.
What happened to the women? There's a woman.
The one behind, I mean, the side.
That caddy was the best thing ever.
Yeah, I think it's pretty cool.
That was cool.
The caddy 4x4, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You're like, what?
Yeah, I know, right? Wish I had my bike. Hang on. Oh, that one was for you, Mr. Kimball.